Hello, my name is Angelica Coda, and today we'll be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your IDC-EX ice detector cover. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your ice detector cover will ensure proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The ice detector cover is designed to protect maintenance personnel from heat-related injuries. It is lined with an inner high-temperature silicone cushion that allows the ice detector cover to firmly grasp the ice detector sensor and will not melt during an accidental heat cycle. The ice detector cover also prevents moisture buildup with its integrated moisture drainage valve. Prior to installing the ice detector cover, make sure to inspect the product. Inspect the interior of the ice detector cover to make sure there are no foreign objects. Make sure the area around the ice detector sensor is free of obstructions. Reference the directional arrow for proper orientation of the cover. Holding the top portion of the cover, slowly slide the ice detector cover onto the ice detector sensor. Press the ice detector cover onto the sensor until the base of the cover touches the aircraft. To remove the ice detector cover, firmly grasp the cover and slowly pull outward away from the aircraft skin until the cover is removed from the sensor. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mouth soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in an optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us a part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.